Hey everybody, evening again. These are guys from Team Loud and Clear Audio, authorized dealers for JL Audio products. We carry all the JL Audio amplifiers, subwoofers, speakers, components. We do our sound cue systems. We're here with Stefan today, Shoguna's branch. Stefan going to do an unboxing right now with the JL Audio W710, the anniversary edition. Steph, take him away, it's all yours. So, a little history about JL Audio. W7 line comes in 8-inch special orders, 10-inch, 12s and 13.5s. The 8-inch power handling range usually is from 500 RMS. The 10-inch range is from 750 RMS. The 12-inch will handle 1000 RMS comfortable range. And the 12s, you're looking at a 1250 RMS, 1500 RMS range, right? All the boxes designed, contact your nearest authorized dealer, right? And they will be able to guide you accordingly what needs to be done. So let's see what's inside the box. Take a look. Anniversary edition. Yeah. Solid wood, solid frames. Contact us Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. 758-1505, 702-2459. Saturdays is from 10 to 5:30. Right, we on corner Success Street, Main Road, Shogunas. Right, this is going in Stefan personal collection. So this is what's inside the box. Get your JL Audio, OEM, all your stickers, right?
Free gift.
Registration. Right. Online registration. Right. JL Audio manuscript with all the W7 designs, instructions how to assemble, how to remove the foam surround to prep it, right?
Dimensions,
all the measurements, dimensions, all the
power
ratings, technical jargon, everything here. Right, there's our full unboxing basically. Here comes the beast. All the other sizes available. We have W0s, WX, W1s, W3s, W6s, and this is the beast.
Anniversary edition.
Anniversary edition.
Chrome trim rings. Black frame. Anniversary edition.
Right everyone, so thanks for viewing. Next week we will do some more unboxing with Stefan. Thanks for checking out our little video. Don't forget to add us on Facebook, Team Loud and Clear Audio, like us and follow us. Over and out. JL Audio W7. Focus on Spotlight today. 10-inch version.